Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In the last video we created this terrain and added some light for our environment, and today we are going to create a landscape material. So right click and create this material. Now select this terrain and drag and drop this material into this landscape material. Now we are going to use some textures from Quixel Bridge to create our landscape material. So go to Quixel Bridge and first go to edit and then manage plugin and download your Unreal Engine plugin. And I have some materials downloaded. Let's select this forest ground and you'll see this download button here. Choose your resolution and click on download. Then go to the settings and in the export setting, choose the Unreal Engine and your version. Now click on this icon and locate your Unreal Engine. And plugins and select this folder to install your plugin and then select your project. And it will show you this installed. Now click on this download and download your texture, and let's download another texture for our ground. And for our ground I'm going to download this forest floor. Click on download. So our texture is downloaded. So let's click on this export and it will show you this notification here, exported successfully. Go back to Unreal Engine, click OK to this normal map warning, and you'll see this Megascan folder, and every asset you download from Bridge you'll see in this Megascan folder. So here is our material. Let's export our ground texture. So both our textures are exported successfully. Click OK to this warning. So we have this dirt texture and this grass texture. Let's open our material and we are going to import our grass texture first. So select albedo, normal and roughness. Drop it in the material editor. Place the albedo on top, roughness in the middle and normal down here. Now go to this first floor and again select albedo, normal and roughness. Drop them here. Place this albedo here, normal down here and roughness in the middle. To create a landscape material, right click and search for landscape layer blend. Select this and you'll see this plus icon here. So we are using two textures, so click 2 times on it. Open this and rename your layer, and this is going to be our grass and this one is dirt. So let's connect the RGB of our grass texture to this layer grass and dirt to this layer dirt. Let's do the same for this one. Again, landscape layer blend. Click again. Here grass and dirt. Then connect them. One more time for this normal map. So we have this layer blend for our base color. So select this output and connect it to base color, and this one is our roughness, so connect it to roughness, then this one to normal. Now select this layer blend and change the preview weight to 0.5, also for this one. Do the same for all these layer blends. Now we need to add one more thing. Right click and search for layer coords. And connect this to the UV of a grass texture. Let's take another layer coordinate. And let's connect this one to our dirt. And here you can change the mapping scale, and you can see the preview here. So I'm going to keep them 5 to both of these textures and hit apply. And save. Let's close this editor and go to our landscape folder and select this landscape material, then drop it in this landscape material. And here you'll see a very reflective plane. So let's go to the modes and landscape and go to this paint section, and here you'll see our 2 texture layer. Go to this plus icon and select this weight blended layer normal and OK. Do the same for this one. Click OK. Now we can see our texture. Now we have these black lines on our terrain. So let's select our directional light and set it to movable to remove these lines. Now select your terrain and open the landscape material. Select your normal map and change the preview weight to 1. Apply and save everything. Now we have this landscape material. Let's click play and see how our player react to it. Now do one more thing, open your landscape material and let's press 1 and left click to take a vector. Connect it to specular and keep its value 0. Hit apply and save. Now to paint our dirt layer, just go to modes and select this landscape, then go to paint mode and select your dirt. Decrease the brush size and increase the tool strength. Then you'll see your dirt here. You can just paint like this. Increase the strength to 1. And when you want to paint grass, then select this grass layer and start painting like this. Now go back to select mode and play. So let's paint our dirt layer. Select this dirt and decrease the brush size and paint it like this. So that's how you can create your own landscape material in Unreal Engine 4 using free assets from Quixel Bridge. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then subscribe to the channel. And in the next video we are going to import some more assets from Quixel and create our environment. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.